Hello guys, welcome to another video. This time maybe out of topic of gaming, but it's for, let's say, YouTube creators, okay? And especially for new YouTubers who wanna get more views, more subs, especially more views for their videos, okay? A very good tip I want to give you is I made the experience, it worked also for me. So let's do now that I'm going to upload a random video, okay? Yeah, here we go. Okay, I'm just gonna take any video and come on, I don't know, let's take for example this one. So if you are a YouTuber who don't have a lot of subs, okay, that means that if there is something very important, and it's exactly here in the settings, okay, you go for more, so this is if the video is a artificial intelligence AI edited. No, it's not, it's a normal video. You can leave everything, but the most important thing you need to deactivate is this one. So we can see there, if you in English should be notificate or let your subscribers know that you are uploading videos. So this will appear in their feed if they activate the notifications and if they activated the bell, okay? But if you don't have a lot of subs, if you have only, I don't know, 100 subs, from 100 subs maybe 10 will watch this, okay? And the thing is that the algorithm will say that your videos is only watched by 10 people, so your video will get stuck there and will don't get any views. But if you disable this, so your subs, you will not get the notifications, okay? So the video will YouTube will do the normal job. They will spread your video just randomly to random people. They maybe fit to your style of videos. It depends what hashtags you use, but your video will reach more people if you disable this more than if you enable this, because you don't have a lot of subs. That's very important. But your subs will still anyway see your video in the feed. If they just go to YouTube, your video will appear anyway, or they can search for it by themselves. And with that, your video will get more views. Your video will be more suggested to more people randomly, and maybe you have with that, absolutely not maybe, if you have not a lot of subs, you will for sure get more views than activating this, okay? Very important. I hope this is helpful for you. I made the experience that it worked for me, especially in the beginning. I got much more views, but now I have about 22, 23k subs. So it depends. If I upload a video which fits, I'm doing gaming content, so if I do a gaming video, I will activate this. But if I'm trying something new, okay, completely new, which is not about gaming, and uploading it on my channel, so it's better to disable this, so that the new video, the new content, the new idea, which is most of my subs are gamers, will not see this, and my video will be randomly shown and suggested to other people. They may be fit to that content, to that new content what I uploaded, and with that I will get more views and maybe new subscribers. That's a small tip, very important. Every time you should think about it, uploading new videos. Go there, check it out if it is activated or not, and you decide. For new YouTubers anyway, always disable this. If you got a lot of subs and you are uploading something what you anyway always upload, enable it. If you got a lot of subs and you want to try something new, so a new content, a new idea, which your subscribers not used to, so it's better to disable it again, and with that having a chance to reach new people and maybe new subs and absolutely more views. Because if you are a gamer and you upload a video about a vlog or about a trip, maybe the half of your subscribers will not watch it because it's not interesting for them. And that's why very important to disable this if you are uploading something new. But for sure, if you are a new YouTuber, always disable this in the beginning until you get maybe your 10, 20, 30k of subs, and then you can decide which time you should, when you should enable this and when you should disable this. It depends on the content you are uploading. And with that, I'm out, guys. I hope this video will help you a bit, to get more clicks and to get more subs and be more successful on YouTube. See you soon. Bye bye.